Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is from Hungary. It's a bean soup that we call Bableves. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So soak 1 cup of beans, 1 cup each. So there's white kidney beans, red beans, whichever beans, and red, not in red, whichever beans you want to use. They are 1 cup each. We're gonna rinse this and soak this for 30 minutes. Place beans into instant pot cup or pot and fill up water just below max, along with 3 to 4 bay leaves. Mine is kind of crushed already, but this is about 3 to 4. And then 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, and then we're gonna add 1 large onion as well, and 6 garlic. And you want to halve the onion and the garlic. I'll be using instant pot, that's why it was only half hour of soaking the beans. Otherwise you have to soak the beans overnight. You want to choose soup option and for 1 hour and 40 minutes with the rest of the ingredients after this mark. I have 5 carrots that I just peel, rinse, and slice. Over here I have a bag of chicken and beef sausage. We're just gonna slice them like so. 1/3 cup of flour with 1 heaping tablespoon of sweet paprika powder and 1/3 cup of water. You just want to mix it. You may add more water if it's needed. I added about another 1/3 cup and maybe 2 more tablespoons. So this is for the roux, lazy roux. My husband's late grandmother would kind of cook her roux by heating vegetable oil and then stirring the flour and paprika powder until thickened, and then she would add water. But I'm so lazy, so this is the lazy part, the lazy version. There's only 1 minute left on the timer. We're gonna release the steam. I don't know if you can see the steam. Anyways, release the steam until there's no more steam, and then we're gonna open the lid. And don't forget to click the cancel button. Now the steam is gone. You want to turn on the soup again, and then we're gonna drop in our carrots. Then we're gonna bring this back to boil and cook it until carrots are tender. In 1 heaping tablespoon crushed parsley, chicken bouillon powder to taste, and 2 cubes of beef bouillon. Again, bring back to boil until carrot is tender for 15 minutes. And this time you don't have to put on the lid. After 15 minutes, we're gonna drop in our sliced hot dogs or beef sausage. And then we're gonna thicken it with our roux. Bring back to boil before we thicken it. In the roux, quickly stir it. Now it's thickened even more. Let it boil for 5 minutes and it's ready to be served. This bean soup is super good if you add a little of white vinegar. If you don't like white vinegar, it's fine as is. My boys love it as is, but my husband and I will love it with white vinegar.